So tumaas na yung PSEI natin, no, nag-break na yung 7,000 to 7,100 psychological barrier or resistance level at ngayon 7,417 na siya, no, as of September 23, 2024. The same thing today, September 24, around 7,4 level pa rin siya. So ang maganda rito, mukhang papaangat na talaga yung Philippine economy barring any other bad news na naman. Kung naipit yung mga investments mo, mukhang okay, no? Mukhang palipad na ulit ang Philippine economy. So sana hindi ka nag-withdraw, no, nung time na mababa talaga. And ang maganda rin dyan sa AIA, meron kaming product, yung Monetary, na merong dividend payouts, no, every quarter. Not guaranteed siya, pero for the past 3 quarters, no, from March 2024, 1.65, tapos 1.26, another 1.26 na naman by